Hello guys, welcome to mygo Minds. So in this video, you will learn data types in Python. So before that, let me introduce you with data and data types. So data is nothing but collection of raw facts. To store the data, we need to have a container, right? So in order to identify the type of container, we need to use data types. So So we have different types of data types in Python, such as numeric, Boolean, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So a data type basically specifies the type of data that a variable can store. For example, num is equals to 5. Here, num is an integer type. Like we as we see it, we know that it is an integer type. So for the compiling purpose, so to check the data type of a variable, we will be using type of data type function. So let me show you how. So num is equals to 10. So print type of num. So let us check what is the type of num. So the type of num is int. Okay. Now, so again, so the data types in Python are numeric, string, list, tuple, boolean, set, and dictionary. Okay. So in numeric type, we have three types. So such as the numbers which do not have decimal values like 5, minus 10, 100, those are represented as int in Python. And the numbers with decimal values such as 3.14 minus 0.5, 2.0, so such values we will be representing as float. And also we have complex numbers, we use generally in mathematics, right? So to represent the complex numbers, which is in the form of a plus bj, so whereas a and b are the real numbers, for example 5 plus 3j, and where j represents the imaginary unit, which is like root of -1. So we have learned this during our school. So here, so let me show you. So now I give 10.5. Now I wanted to check what is type it is. It is float. Okay. So let me show you the complex as well. So 10 plus 5j, and there is no error also. So let me check what type it is. It's complex, right? Next we have Boolean as a data type, where it represents either true or false. So basically in programmatical language, true represents the logic if it is true, which is equal to 1, and the false represents the logic as false, which is equal to 0. Okay, so let me show you how. So let us take a small example. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 6, no 10. Okay, now print a greater than b. False. Is it a greater than b? No. A less than b. True. So this is how Boolean data type is. And we have string, list, and tuple, which is a sequence type. Okay. So basically, sequence data type represents an ordered collection of elements. The way it is inserted, it is orderly stored. Whereas for the string, we use str, and for the represent purpose, for the string we have to use single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. So let's see string name is equals to mygo minds, and I wanted to check the type of name. Type name. So it is stir. Stir means it's a string. So the major difference between like the single quote and double quote is that if suppose I wanted to use mygo minds, in that case we can go for double quote. So this will work. But all of three works in the same format. Okay, see, str, same. So next list. List is also represents the ordered collection of elements, but it is enclosed in square brackets. So okay, name. Now let us check with marks is equals to, so 10, 20, 30 and 40. Print type marks and execute. So it is showing as list. And also I wanted to print marks. It is showing 10, 20, 30, 40 and I wanted to repeat also. So it is showing 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, which means that list accepts duplicate values. Okay. So next, tuple. Tuple also represents a ordered collection of elements, which is same as list, but is enclosed in parentheses. So I'll just remove square brackets and I'll put parentheses. And I wanted to check with, see, output. Tuple, it is showing, and the values also duplicate values. Tuple also allows duplicate values 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. Now, set data type is an unordered collection, but it has unique elements, which means that it allows duplicate, it does not allow duplicate values. So suppose I put it here as set. But for set, we don't use parentheses. We use flower brackets and execute. See, the class is set, but the value 40, 10, 20, 30. But here we have two 40s, but here it is showing only 140. So set is unordered collection, but it has unique elements. And now we have dictionary data type. Dictionary data type is also a collection, but it has a key value pairs which is used to store and retrieve data based on unique keys. Suppose in a college there are like 10 students. So 10 members are students, but they have different names, age, date of birth, right? So likewise, we can store the values like this in dictionary. Okay, so let me say a student. I want to give student name as mygo student, comma, age 18, department Python. Okay, so let us see which data type it is showing and also its output. See, it is showing DICT and also the output is name mygo student, age 18 and department is Python. So that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. So to more learn, to more sorry. So that's it, guys. To learn more about Python in detail, please do follow our channel and please. So that's it, guys. To learn more in detail about the data types and its methods and all, please do follow our channel and So that's it, guys. To learn more about So that's it, guys. To learn more about the data types in detail and its methods and also, please stay tuned with our channel and please do subscribe to mygo Minds and also do follow us on Instagram and Telegram. So which is mygo Minds. And thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.